Imani Robinson, the court is calling 2024 CR 008-663, State versus Imani Robinson. Could I have parties announced for the record?
David Andre Woodard for Imani.
And are you Miss Robinson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense, you're here requesting a bond, is that correct?
Correct, Judge.
All right, and defense, what bond amount are you requesting, or is there an agreement? I'm sorry? All right. Ms. Abrams?
Yes.
And state you may be excused. On this case, she's currently on probation. Is there any conditions that need to be added as far as any no contact orders, any mental health or drug issues that need to be addressed with the bond?
Well,
2024 CR 008-663.
yes, Margaret. It's the allegations for failure to reform.
Okay.
And Judge, I don't show that there's any conditions for anything for mental health.
All right. Thank you. Has your client, since I've last seen her, has there been any type of mental health issues, any mental health diagnosis?
Not to my knowledge, Judge.
No.
Okay.
Does I have that name when you're right?
Just one moment.
No, Judge, she doesn't wish to speak.
All right. There's going to be, the court will follow your agreed order. There's a $7,000 bond, full GPS, waive fees. There's to be no contact with the complainant. And the court's order is to be entered on November 21st, state. And the reason why it's November 21st is because the complainant needs to be notified that she'll be released. If you're able to contact the complainant today, then it can be entered into the system today. All right. And then Ms. Ferguson, if you can set this, counsel, do you have all of the discovery?
I don't, Judge.
All right. Norma, if you can set this for the first week in December. All right, it'll be set for December 4th. And probation, that's for them to obtain the discovery. All right, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Right, and if you'll check with the state and come back to me on whether or not the order should be placed in the system today or tomorrow.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, court is calling 2025 CR 008. I'm sorry, 2025 CR 006868, 2025 CR 006869, 2025 CR 006870, State versus Gage Guerra. Could I have parties announced?
Trey Maurer for Mr. Guerra.
And are you Mr. Guerra?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense is requesting a bond be set in each of these cause numbers. Does he not currently have a bond, counsel?
Your Honor, his bond, he's currently remanded without bond. I believe through my conversation with Lauren that we have come to an agreement to reinstate the current bonds.
Well, I see here that he was remanded without bond based upon a violation report. Does anybody know what the violation
Your
report
Honor,
is concerning?
I believe it was that he FTA'd on a misdemeanor out of County Court 9. And then I believe that, and then you issued a judge's warrant based on that FTA, I believe is the timeline of events.
All right. Could I have a copy of the Violation report, please, if anyone has it.
Your Honor, I've got a copy of it right here.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. I'm trying to find the one where I ruled upon it. Counsel, if you would give us a moment while I pull that up.
Okay.
Because I want to make sure the ruling I make is an appropriate one. Just
Okay.
give us a moment.
Yes, I would you like my client to sit down?
Yes, and let me give that to you.
Thank you.
I need the order that I ruled upon. Ah,
Is that what you're looking for?
yes, thank you. All right, I'm sorry about that, Mr. Guerra. I know he has crutches. If he wants to remain there, he can remain there. All right, we're back on the record. So, State, in regards to this case, you're asking that the previous bonds be the same amount be reinstated?
Yes, Judge, on the phone, I would ask, or this week, defense counsel and I agreed on releasing the $12,000 bonds because the application from the and that one was already dealt with.
Okay. And how was it resolved?
That one's still showing pending as well as these felonies, and it looks like it is, the misdemeanor is next set on 12/4 for the arraignment, so I can just send a global after.
And Your Honor, I'm not sure what's going on with the misdemeanor. The attorney record he had on these felonies is also the attorney record on the misdemeanor. That attorney withdrew on all felonies. I'm not sure if he intended to withdraw on the misdemeanor as well, but he still shows the attorney record on that case.
All right. And I'm assuming he's on ignition interlock?
Your Honor, again, I'm not the attorney of record on that case, but I can pull it up and see right now.
Okay.
I don't see the ignition interlock ordered on this case, Your Honor. Not that I can see.
All right. In each cause number, the court is going to set the bonds at $12,000. The court is going to order outpatient treatment, waive the fees. And that's outpatient treatment for substance abuse. And there will be ignition interlock. On all accessible vehicles. All right, and let me see what date we're going to come back on.
I have a 12/4 date, Your Honor. There's a final discovery in here.
All right, well, we'll keep it at 12/4.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, is there anything else?
Your Honor, just for clarification, did the court reinstate the existing bond or did they just reset it at the 12,000?
I'm resetting at $12,000. If you call the bondsman and the bondsman wishes the bond to reinstate it, then the court will order it as a reinstatement.
Okay.
All right, is there anything else?
Nothing from defense, Judge.
All right, and counsel, if you have that information for the bondsman later today, just let the clerks know.
I know the bondsman was also his attorney, so I do not anticipate them wanting to go back on.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe excused. I have another one, but I'm need to speak with it.
All right, thank you. Miguel Contreras. Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
All right, are you all ready to proceed on the MTR?
We are, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2024 CR 012263, State versus Miguel Contreras. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
And Lauren Lefton for Mr. Contreras.
All right, and are you Miguel Contreras? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Miguel Contreras Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 012263 for the offense of evading arrest, detention, with a previous conviction on January 23rd, 2025 for a period of 4 years. Is that you? All right, state.
Petition number 4, and Dare County Texas defendant Miguel Contreras Jr. did then and there fail to report to supervision officer as directed for the months of July and September 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State.
Please abandon the remainder, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, oh,
Yes, Judge, it is for the court to deny the state's motion and to alter and amend the conditions for mental health.
he's, not to interrupt, but he's already completed his mental health, so the agreement was for him to do the outpatient dual diagnosis intensive program, is that correct?
Judge, the recommendation and agreement is for him to be placed on the mental health initiative caseload and for him to complete the dual diagnosis outpatient program.
Thank you.
All right, thank
Nothing
you.
like that.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
I'm Miguel Contreras.
All right. Mr. DeLeon, do you need a cough drop? Okay. All right. So what has been going on with you?
I was saying to my brothers, but it didn't work out there. What was him getting like a power attorney over me or whatever, for helping me with this.
All right. So I'm going to give you a choice. I don't know if you'll be successful in this probation or not. My hands are sort of tied with the different programs that I can have available to you because there's a lack of funding. There's a lack of placement. Now, I can follow the agreement that has been reached, or I will sentence you to 8 months in the state jail facility. So do you want me to follow the agreement?
Yes, please.
Okay. So the court will deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include MHI plus outpatient treatment with dual diagnosis. And Ms. Abrams, because there may be issues with him, can you make sure that they do the field visits? And so there'll be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And we're doing the field visits to make sure that you stay in compliance, okay? I want you to be successful at this.
And I don't know if the court could order, but I did tell him to ask for employment resource or help with that, as well as housing assistance.
All right, so employment resources and any housing resources. And there is a program, I want to say it's called Build Back Brighter, something of that nature. They can help with housing as well. They're a nonprofit, but they may be able to help you.
I'll Google it and maybe write the information down.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes.